Hi friends, welcome back to the workshop. It's Lauren from Third Shift Crafts, and today we're going to be making these party cup holders. If you want to elevate your barbecues and parties this summer, stay tuned. For this project, we need about 8 inches of a 1x6 and 3 feet of a 1x4. The 1x6 will be cut down to 6.5 inches long and 4 1/8 inches wide. The 1x4 will be cut down into 4 pieces. 2 pieces are at 6.5 inches and 2 pieces are at 5.5 inches. I'm going to do a test fit to make sure everything is how I want it to be. Here I didn't like how everything was going to sit, so I decided to go ahead and readjust the measurements. The measurements given earlier in the video are correct. Again, this is just me making adjustments to my measurements to make sure everything was flush. I'm going to do a test fit to make sure everything's how I want it to be, and it looks good here. Then I'm going to go ahead and sand all the pieces, starting with a 120 grit and following up with a 220 grit. Now I'm going to do a final dry fit and then glue up and assemble with brad nails. For this project I used 1 1/4 inch brad nails. Now that it's all together, I'm going to pick a short side and find the midpoint and mark it. This is where I'm going to drill the hole for the marker. I used a 5/32 drill bit to start the hole and widened it with a 1/4 inch drill bit. I only drilled down about 1/3 of the way for the marker slot. At this point, you could also fill in any holes or blemishes with wood filler. For this project, I did not. And then I ran out of time that day, so I had to come back to the project a couple days later. Again, I sanded the whole project to prep the wood for staining. You'll also notice I have a second party cup holder. This one is a bit smaller, but still functional for paper Dixie cups. Now it's time for stain. For this project, I am using the same bare water-based stain I used in a previous video. I ended up giving these each 2 coats. You could also customize the front panel of these party cup holders by adding a phrase, such as "Mark your cup and drink up," "Sip happens," or "Cheers, y'all." Some options include wood burning the phrase on, stenciling it on, or using a vinyl cutout to place on the wood. And there you have it, your very own DIY party cup holder. Perfect for barbecues, birthdays, or anytime you don't want to hear, "Whose cup is this again?" If you've enjoyed this build, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of our future builds. Want the cut list or printable plan? Check out the link in the description or visit thirdshiftcrafts.com where you'll find project templates, merch, and woodworking goodies made just for women who build. Until next time, keep building, keep creating, and always bring a little heart to the workshop. See you soon.